Hey, check me out, yo. Swag. Call me DC, and don't forget the baby. Picture me in the top, bottom. Talk shit, I know them girls, man, you know I got them. Spitting shit, cause it's venom at you niggas, dawg. You niggas talking shit, I'm beating this shit here off the wall. I tell my niggas, man, I'm beating and I know my name. I come up in this bitch, you still they claiming blood game. And they ain't never lame, I put you in my food chain. Break you down cause I'm the man, nigga. Got that problem, I'ma solve them, nigga. You let you know, I'm gonna do my thing. And you niggas talking shit that once before, and I'm the main. I ain't playing, I'm on the scene, I'm on this track, I'm looking back. Nigga, I'm dressed in all this black. Nigga, what it do? Gat, nigga, I want a regular girl to be my fucking best. On this mic, trying to do my fucking test. And I'm besting on mics, and that you never know my name. Nigga, they talk shit, so you know it's blood gang. Do my thing like zone and lights off. Yeah, you nigga talking shit, it's going on, it's going off. I'm like a exhaust pipe. Nigga, I'm spitting gas and you know my name. Nigga talking shit, blood game, that's what fucking claim. Bang, what I fucking bang, you niggas know my name. I told these other chicks, dog, yes, they hella fucking lame. I don't want no dirty chick, I don't want no project girl, cause you know I'm talking shit. Cause they're them girls, they never bird them niggas, know they never home train. I'm the fucking best, and I know I hate you hoes. Y'all niggas, they lame the less. I'm the best, they call me the baby. Yes, I take your old lady. I'm gonna do my thing off in this clan. I'ma bang it right. Nigga talking shit. Got that money, yes, I'm spanking tight. Nigga, I'm in that for got haters, nigga. Yes, my main type. Red's what I fucking claim. So what it be, dog? Listen up, I hope them niggas, cause I want it. I really like to love you and I need it. I really wanna know cause I need. Hey, my girl, tell her D, I want a regular girl, I want a regular girl, I want a regular girl. Sweat, I want a regular girl, I want a regular girl, I want a regular girl. I want a regular girl, I want a regular girl, I want a regular girl. Hey, I want a regular girl. Hey, cause when your boy straight on it. Hey, I tell the nigga, yeah, them project chicks, man, they never know the best. I came in this bitch the best and nevertheless. Hey, I roll with my clique, now that's Kiki. And I roll with my brother, man, it's Nick Lee. And I go hard, I pull your fucking card. I tell them chicks that I'm the best and they ain't fucking more. Them bitches running around, they thinking they got my fucking heart. I told you pussy girls, man, my name is Huckett Paul. Yes, the DC, man, don't never get my baby. Yes, you niggas talking shit, I'm in this bitch with Nina, baby. And I go hella hard, pulling, talking hella shit. Nigga, that blood talk shit, that shit is velvet. I'm the man, I'm on the track, you nigga pussy niggas down. I'm the Carter boy, you nigga talking shit, I'm the clown. I'm a goon, I do it right. Hoes call me a damn fool. And then I know when I do, I does what I do. Chicks love to call me a hoe and say I'm no good, but why you talk to me though? Cause I'm the man, I'm the best in the city. I know what I did before, that shit don't carry on B. Cause I'm deep to the sea, dog. I'm gonna be who I be. And I'm no type of nigga, dog. I hope you see what you see. And I ain't gonna never be that nigga drop down on the bottom. And I tell them pussy niggas, yes, them hoes, you know I got them. I want them. I really like to know and I need them. You really wanna show in them girls. Hey, I tell them, dawg, they my life. Wait, but never forget, I want a regular girl. I want a regular girl. I want a regular girl. Swag, book, I want a regular girl. I want a regular girl. I want a regular girl. Tell her D, I want a regular girl. A regular girl. A regular girl. Whoa, I want a regular girl. Swag.